This is the linear heat conduction study unit. The experimental unit comprises a linear experimental setup equipped with heating and cooling section. This white material is insulating material, and inside this insulating material there is a brass rod going along the length of this module. On the left side is the brass heating section. This is the heating section, and on the right side there is a cooling section. These are the tap water supply connections, the blue connectors. These are the tap water supply connections for inlet and outlet water supply. On the middle of these heating and cooling section are the interchangeable sections for inlet, are the interchangeable sections made up of different materials. This hot end uses 150 watt heater which is fitted with high temperature limit switch. Thermocouples are mounted along the length of heating section and cooling section at uniform intervals of 10 mm to measure the temperature gradient along the sections. For intermediate test sections are supplied with the equipment. This center test section is the made up of brass material of same diameter as the heating and cooling section. This is the stainless steel test section of same diameter as heating and cooling section to demonstrate the effect of change in thermal conductivity. This material is made up of aluminium as same diameter as heating and cooling section to demonstrate the effect of change in thermal conductivity. Fourth one is installed. This fourth one is installed in the module which is reduced diameter brass section to demonstrate the effect of change in cross sectional area. On the control panel there is a watt meter for the measurement of heater power, and there is LCD display which shows the temperature values of all sensors installed along the length of the linear module. With the help of these parameters, with the help of these heater power and all temperature values, we can find the thermal conductivity of the test sections which we installed between the heating and cooling section. Thank you.